bottom of the earth, then elephant will come. Right? In the same way, Srimati Radhika, she controlled to Krishna with her man. Man is as like
Gold.
so man ruby,
Gold.
Ankush.
Ankush.
Ankush understand? Ankush means gold.
Gold.
Sanskrit.
Ankush.
Srimati Radhika is very fast. जस्सा कलापी वसनंचन कलनत्त धन्नाति धन्न पवनन कितार्थ माने जगिंद्र दुर्गम गति मधुसूदनोपि तस्सास्त्रणो विसवान भुवो विसोपि प्रवदानंद सरस्वती पाद compose these words Radha Rasadhan जस्सा कदापि वसनंचन कलनत्त धन्नाति धन्न पवनन कितार्थ माने जगिंद्र दुर्गम गति तस्सास्तुनो विश्वभानु भुवो दिशोपि Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, very humble, he is saying, what we say about Srimati Radhika? Even Krishna, who is called the Supreme Personality of Godhead, sang Bhagavan. Brahma, Shiva, Narada, all they also are paying their obeisances in his lotus feet. And now see Madhusudan Krishna himself, completely surrendered to lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. So Jasya Kadapi Vasanancan Krilanatta Dhannati Dhanna Pavana Kitarthamani Jaginda Durgam Gati Madhusudanopi. Madhusudan means Krishna. Jaginda Durgam Gati. Even Brahma, Shiva, Narada, they are called Yogi also. Yogi understand? Sometimes in their dhyan, meditation, Krishna manifests, sometimes not also. Jaddapi samadhisu, vidirupi natapa, pasati natapa, nakhagra marichi. No, Jaddapi samadhisu. In the meditation of Brahma, sometimes Krishna manifests his lotus feet and sometimes not also. Jaddapi samadhisu vidhiropi. Vidmana Brahma. Jaddapi samadhi vidhiropi natas. So, Brahma, Shiva, Narada, in their dhyan, Krishna sometimes manifests his lotus feet, sometimes not. And now, same Madhusudan Krishna, completely what? Controlled by Srimati Radhika. So the Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad saying, I pay my obeisance in that direction where Srimati Radhika, she is standing. Jasya Kadapi Vasancha Khilanatta Dhannati Dhanna Pavanana Kitarthamani. Because when Srimati Radhika she did man, Krishna can't go in front of Srimati Radhika. That called the Durjayaman. Durjayaman, understand? Unbreakable man. Durjayaman. When Srimati Radhika did man, Srimati Radhika, she is very angry. So Krishna cannot go. But Srimati Radhika, she is standing other side of the Radha Kunda. And now Srimati Radhika's cloth, what is called? Ud rahe hain, mane? Flying. Flaps in the wind. And that sweet fragrance coming towards Krishna. Then Krishna saying, Dhannati dhanna pavanana kitarthamani. Here, now your life is successful. Because I can't go in front of Srimati Radhika. You understand? Very angry Srimati Radhika. And that is called Durjayaman also. And now Krishna is saying, hey, your life is successful. Because you are, what is called, playing with the cloth of Srimati Radhika. There is the wind blowing and Srimati Radhika's, what do you call, Anchal. Anchal, understand? Anchal. Anchal means the last part of sari. This one. And now this is what? Fluffy. So that means here Pavan Dev, you are playing with the Anchal of Srimati Radhika. Not only this, also you also blowing the sweet fragrance of Srimati Radhika, bodily sweet fragrance. So saying Jasya Kadapi Vasanchan Kalanatta Dhannadi Dhanna Pavanana Kitartha Mani Jagindra Durgam Gati Madhusudanopi Tassasthanama Vishabhanu Bhuvo Dishopi. This is Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad wrote this verse. You know this sloka? Jasya Kadapi Vasananchan Kalanatta Dhannadi Dhanna Pavanana Kitartha Mani Jagindra Durgam Gati Madhusudana Opi Tassastu Nama Vishabhanu Bhuvo Diso Opi. This type of playing is going.
Sweet fragrance.
Sweet fragrance taking. Sweet fragrance taking from the.
I was helping her away. She wanted to come to me.
And not take the fragrance. Okay. Good.
Nice smell.
What did he say? Jasya Kadapi Vasananchan Khilanatta Dhannadi Dhanna Pavana Kitarthamani Jagindra Durgam Gate Madhusudanopi Tassasthanama Vishabhanu Bhuvodishopi. So Vishabhanu Nandini Srimati Radhika. She is very, very rare to and others also. Even what will even Krishna, sometimes also Krishna meet with, not sometimes not. When Srimati Radhika did man. So why I am saying? Because but Srimati Radhika, she controlled to Krishna. How? With her Madhusneha. Because she knows where you will go, Krishna. So saying the Nirantaram Vashikrita Pratiti Nanda Nandane Kada Kari Sasyamang Kripa Kataksha Bhajana. This is the thing. Srimati Radhika, she knows. And where will Krishna go? There are no place to go. Krishna comes out from the Kunja of Chandravali. But Krishna can't come out from the Kunja of Srimati Radhika. Understand this? So now coming in this way, just I also explain this way. Gitasneha, and it is called Madhusneha. Love and affection. So, Anurag, now coming this second. Anuragaika Sindhu. What is the meaning of Anurag? What is the symptom of Anurag?
Deep attachment.
Srimati Radhika's Anurag Sindhu, ocean of divine deep attachment, is compared to milk. There are two symptoms of Anurag. One is Praspranu Snehanu Bandhanam and other is called Darsane or Triptata. You understand? What do you understand? Anurag is, there are two symptoms of Anurag. Praspranu Snehanu Bandhanam. The lover and beloved, they very deeply bind to each others and with their love and affection. That is called Paraspranu Sneha Anubandhan. Anubandhan, sir? Ban. But Anubandhanam. You have written it, eh? I don't know. Why did you put the red? This one? Why?
Because there's supposed to be a comma after divine, in between divine and deep.
Srimati Radhika's Anuraga Sindhu, ocean of divine deep attachment, is compared to milk. There are two symptoms of Anurag. One is Paraspanu Snehanubandhanam, and another is Darsana Atriptata. In Paraspar Snehanubandhanam, being bound to each other by their love and affection. The hero and heroines, loving attachment increasingly manifested in their hearts as Navayanuman. And Navayanuman, understand? No? Ever fresh newly. There is a symptom also. And Anurag. If you deep Anurag, you are thinking, I never see these things. They newly, over fresh. And Krishna is Bhagavan. So for this regard, Krishna manifests his form also always ever fresh, newly. That is called Navayanuman. In this material world, not possible. Everything in this material world is and past, old, coming or not. When you say one second, then automatically you are past. And in this material world, not possible actual present actually not this in here. Always is what? Past. Past or not? Going this way, going this. But transcendental world, always is what? Present. But how possible? Because transcendental, apragita. When we say there is a, what is the time now? Okay, 9:15. How many seconds? Okay, 5 seconds. And 10 seconds. But when you say, then automatically what? Change.
There's no present. Present is flickering. Changing.
So which tense in this minute? Which tense? Kal. In this material world, actually no present. When you say one, then automatically going. Which tense? Past, Bhutkal. Present continuous. Present continuous. Going on this. This is it. But transcendental world, always we are Nitya Navayanuman, ever fresh, new. And when Anurag coming, deep attachment, you think, I never seen this form. This is only Golok Vrindavan. Govinda thinking, I never see Krishna. And once Srimati Radhika, she met with Krishna in one kunja. Then when Srimati Radhika came out from the kunja, entered the door, Lalita Devi is there. Lalita Devi, she asked, Hey Radhika, could you glorify about Krishna? How is he? Then Srimati Radhika, she cried. Hey Lalita, I never said to Krishna, how is he? How is the form? What is the form of Krishna, Govinda? Very difficult to explain. Because Krishna always what? Ever fresh, new. This is the symptom of Anurag. Ever fresh, new. And Ujjwal Mani Grantha also explained this, giving the example. And I never seen how is beautiful form of Govinda, Krishna.
So, here's in this. There are two symptoms of anurag. One is parasparanu snehanubandhanam and other is darsane atriptata. Darsane atriptata means you will never be satisfied to take darshan to Govinda. In this material world, if anything you take, that you automatically your desire automatically satisfied. How many you can drink? How many waters? How many glass you can drink water? How many? 1 glass, 2 glass. Okay, 1 liter, 2 liter.
Saturated.
Saturated. But after then, no need. You say no, not more.
Saturation.
How many rasgulla you can eat?
1.
You are patient of diabetes. Those are greedy person. They can do more. But after few then satisfied. No, not more. Vomiting. But the transcendental world, everything is one. Ever fresh, no. So darsane atriptata means if you take to darshan, you will never satisfy or more. Again and again take darshan. You understand or not? क्या बोला बताओ?
It is said that in this material world, no matter how, if we are eating like
In this material, everything is limited. But transcendental world,
unlimited.
everything is what? Asim Ananta, unlimited. Ananta Dev. This thing. In this material, if you drink water or if you drink juice, anything, limit. But transcendental world, unlimited. Ananta. So saying this, कृष्ण दर्शन जार भाग्य हुई आचे एक बार भक्तिमान ठाकुर देव one who is great fortune can take darshan to Krishna. Or if you take darshan to Krishna, you will not take darshan to any other things. Govinda darshan, how is beautiful. So what is it? देखिले नयन हेरे केहो नहीं घरे फिरे गृह रोज संसारी जुगो हाय सर्वनाश. If you take darshan to Govinda, then you don't want to see anything else. किबा चूड़ा सिरी किबा वंशी करे किबा से त्रिभंग ठाम भक्तिमान ठाकुर जी. And if you take darshan to Govinda, how he is 3-band-fold Tribhanga Lalit, and how is very nice, beautiful turban on his head. How is beautiful the peacock feather on his turban. Kok Krishna Kulat Chandrama Sikipincha Mauli. How is beautiful this. So just I also explain darsane atriptata. If you take darshan to Krishna, you will not satisfied. You will get more, again and again take darshan. Very difficult to turn out your eyes from Krishna. This is the process. So the darsane atriptata. Take darshan. So anurag, 2 symptoms. Here written. There are 2 symptoms of anurag. One is the parasparanu snehanubandhanam and other is darsana atriptata. In parasparanu snehanubandhanam, being bound to each other by their love and affection, the hero and heroine's loving attachment increasingly manifest in their hearts as Navayan Vritti, with an ever new and fresh. In Darsana Atriptata, The divine couple having met each others again and again and are still not satisfied and want to meet again. How is beautiful, Govinda Darshan. Have you seen Govinda or not? You have seen, but you forget. You are the Thakurji. You took darshan or not? Because Govinda is not giving darshan to us. Why? Because we have 2 tickets. We have which ticket? Return tickets. What are the return tickets? Return back to our home. So for this regard, Govinda is not giving darshan. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he used these words also. The people going to Vrindavan and taking darshan to Govinda. Then they return back their home. Govinda actually giving darshan or not? Or you know? Our darshan is a material darshan. There is jad darshan. What is it? Jad. We have 2 eyes. How many eyes have you? 2. He is saying 4.
You have 2 and then 2 of each, then it's 4.
So when you and your friend, so then is it 2 eyes. Yes. 2 eyes yours and 2 eyes your friend. 2 eyes for Krishna and 2 eyes yours. So 4. Then 4 also are meeting together. You know, sometimes babies are playing with the arrows. And one arrow is coming, another arrow is coming. So meeting together. You are right also. 2 eyes yours and 2 eyes Krishna. So meeting together, 1. Good or not? You are right. What you are speaking, you are always right. So go, just what do you say?
Jada darshan.
Jada darshan. Material. No, saying this way. Anurag have 2 symptoms. Prasparanu Sinhan Vandhanam and another Darshane Atriptata. And so you will never satisfied, unsatisfied. You are taking there more and more darshan. Govinda darshan. How is beautiful form of Krishna. So he had also explained this. Navayan Anubhuti. The Darshane Atriptata, the divine couple having met each others again and again and are still not satisfied and want to meet again. See that? So go to Vrindavan. Who will go Vrindavan? The Anurag of Srimati Radhika is compared to the ocean of milk, as milk is boiled and transferred into condensed milk. In the same way, when Srimati Radhika's Anurag is condensed and it becomes transformed into Mahabhav, an undescribable state of ecstasy. It is called Varnatita. Varnatita, understand? You cannot describe, undescribable. If it's, what kinds of so why Srimati Radhika's Anurag compared with milk? What did he say? That's why I told you. When the milk boil and then he will giving different name also. Same milk.
Not yogurt.
Condensed milk. Condensed milk. Condensed milk. What is it called? Different name we are giving. What is the name?
Khoya.
Rabdi.
Khoya.
Khoya. Different name.
Kalakand.
Look, same milk. But when you boiling and condense, then giving different name. That means when love more and more thicker. There is a name is giving, and there is sneha, man, pranay, rag, anurag, bhav, mahabhav, urura, udhira. Actually, the same love. The love is just condensed stage. Condensed stage, then giving different, and taste also different. If you drink milk, one taste is come. Or if you take the rabdi, taste different. Not mixing anything, just also condense. Boiling. When boiling, more condense. Look this. Vrindavan Vihari. Okay, not more. Hare Krishna.
Here is 25 qualities of Madhyarika.
Yeah. Now 10:30, no? 9:30. Okay.
Confirmed.
Yeah.
No.
Like Krishna, Srimati Radhika also has innumerable qualities. Among the 25s are prominent. Right? Krishna is also unlimited qualification. But Srimati Radhika is also unlimited. But here you explain 25. So what do you want? The quality or quantity? Krishna 64 yesterday I told. 64 qualification. Or Srimati Radhika is 25. So who is higher? I will say there is 64 or 25.
Quality is higher.
All of them. Or is the condensed qualities. You take 20 liters milk or 1 liter rabdi. So who is the best?
1 liter rabdi.
So, but who is the baby thinking, no, I like 20 liters milk. What do you want? So in the same way, sometimes people also confuse. Oh, Srimati Radhika has only 25 qualifications. Or Krishna? 64. So Srimati Krishna is higher than Radhika. No, you can't say this. But what kinds of qualification? That the condensed form is there. So here he is saying very nicely. Srimati Radhika, here he also explains. Like Krishna's and Srimati Radhika's also has innumerable qualities, among which 25 are prominent. And first she is very sweet, madhur, and that is she is incomparable, beautiful in appearance, and very more than Krishna's form. Krishna's Saundarya, or Srimati Radhika's Saundarya, beauty. And so far the Rupa Goswami is saying, Rama Ramanam Sundarata Varishta Sundarja Mahita Samasta Jagadajanasya Samasya Bhamvadhagadat Unang Tam Indirang Baram. And you learn this look. Same Rama Ramanam Sundarata Varishta Sundarja Mahita Samasta Jagadajanasya. Maybe tomorrow will be Gaur Premanand. Jai.
Which Granta?
Which one?
That verse you spoke from Sri Rupa Goswami. Shama.
This is, you can see the Gita Gucha, the Srimati Radhika is there. Sampradhana Astakam. Samkadan.
song
रमणं सुंदरता वरिष्ठ सौंदर्य महित समस्त जगत जनस. This.
Thank you.
Will you partner now? Maybe it's going to be good. Good enough. बोले राधा रानी की
जय.
जय जय
Shri Radhe.
Okay, you also do this quickly. Tomorrow we are going.
Before the program tonight, it'll be done. By 5 p.m. By 5 p.m. it'll be finished.
Yeah. Offering or not?
Offering now, so if you're done,
Okay. Eh? Okay, one kirtan. What kirtan? Raj kirtan.
Hindi song.
Eh?
Where is the morning?
Which book? Only book.
Which one, Gurudev? Radha Jai Krishna.
Radha Krishna. Came in the house of Advaita Acharya and Sankirtan. Then Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu completely absorbed in the mood of Vrindavan Bhava. And mood of Srimati Radha. Then Mahaprabhu told to Advaita Acharya, could you sing one song? Advaita Acharya, he realized the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Advaita Acharya sang one very nice beautiful song. That song. You don't know? In Chaitanya Chaitamrita. कि कोई बड़ी सखी आनंद ओ चिरदिन माधव मंदिर आचर भरी आजि मानिक पाई तबे हम पियारे दूर देश ना पठाई. Read Chaitanya Chaitamrita. I am not saying imagine. Read Chaitanya Chaitamrita. Lord Chaitanya Nitya is Lord. Mahaprabhu asked to Advaita Acharya. Then Advaita Acharya sang this song. Koi bari sati anandavo chiradina madhava mandiri achara bhari ajadi mani kapai ruham piyari dura desena patai. You find out now? Interesting. Then Mahaprabhu very close. You learn this one? Not learning. Or you learning?
Raditam Bhavaram Pajakanante Naraditam Navataram Braja Eva Dure Radito Dvijasuta Braja Nagaraste Naradito Dvijasuta Nataveha Krishna.
Aradito Navavanam Brajakanam Naradito Navavanam Vrindavanam Evadu Aradito Dijasita Brajanagaraste Naradito Dijasita Lokavi Krishna. If you worship Navadip Dham, then you attend to Vrindavan.
You don't.
And if you not worship Navadip Dham, you cannot attend to Vrindavan. Aradhito Dijasita Brajanagaraste. If you worship Sachinandan Gaurhari, they will attend to Krishna who is the beloved of the Gopis. Aradhito Dijasita Brajanagaraste. Naradhito Dijasita. If you not worship Sachinandan Gaurhari, you will not attend to
Krishna. He will be very far.
So how do you do?
Worship
Navadip Dham and
Gaura
this
Krishna.
Krishna. Gaurshina. Just to surrender to Sachinandan Gaurhari, and Braja Prem will manifest in your heart. Radha Prem manifest in your heart. Not do anything. Understand? Follow evidence. Follow. Gita Punno Tata Tata Kante Jri Krishna Radha Rambujo Sudham Nirvas. Nice one. Just to surrender Sachinandan Gaurhari. There Radha Prem automatically manifest in you. Cry for Gaura Sundar. Manare Kahana Gaura Katha. Manare Kahana Gaura Katha. Amar Gaure Ranam Amiya Ranam Hirite Murati Gata. Arsayane Gaura Sapane Gaura Sayane Gaura Sapane Gaura surrender Sachinandan Gaurhari and absorb with Gaurhari. So Radha Prem will manifest in our heart. So why you worship Radha and Krishna? Why you go Vrindavan? Why? Question coming on me. So always worship Sachinandan Gaurhari. Always chant Gaura Nam. Manre Kahana Gaura Katha. Amar Gauri Ranam Amiya Radham Pirati Murati. Understand? So why we chant Radha and Krishna?
Because Mahaprabhu instructed us to chant to do bhajan of Braj ke Radha Krishna.
Sachishanam Nandishwapati Sutta Guru Varam Mukunda Prashta Gaismanakaram Madhusandanu Manaha.
Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructs. Poti hoite poti Bakka Balavan. What the husband will say, you have to follow.
Yeah.
So this question you asked to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Krishna is our husband. Tamiva Mata, Tamiva Pita, Tamiva Bandhu Sata. So Krishna is our husband. So according to the Vedic culture, chaste lady, they are not chaste lady, not taking the name
Of her husband.
of her husband. Eh? Who is married? You married, no? What is your husband name?
Siddhant Das. I don't take his material name, but I take his spiritual name. That's fine, right?
No, wait. What are you saying? Poti hoite poti. Agga Balavan. Now one devotee asked Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Eh? According to Vedic culture, first listen. Don't mind. You are saying this. Just I keep it now. See, chaste lady, they are not taking the name of husband. As you Sita Devi, she never uttered
Ram.
Ram. What is it? Aryaputra. Eh? Srimati Radhika, she never also uttered Krishna. Aryaputra. Aryaputra Udnaste. So Nars is coming. So one devotee, one person asked Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So why our Ishtadev Krishna? Krishna is our husband. So chaste lady, she is not taking the name of her husband. So why you are chanting Krishna now? Understand? If anybody asks you, what answer you will give?
Because my Guru Dad told me to.
Because the husband told us to.
They told you, don't touch that. What is it?
Because the husband told us to chant. That's Mahaprabhu.
So here the poti hoite poti agga balavan. You have to follow the instructions
Instructions from the husband.
This is the procedure. So what will Krishna himself told? Everybody chant Kali Yuga Dharma. Kali Yuga Nam Bina Nahi Ar Dharma. Sarva Shastri Nam. Sarva Shastri is Sar Nam. The essence of all the religion is called chant Hare
Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare.
Now our question is coming. So if we do completely surrender to Sachinandan Gauri and you chant Gaura Nam, then automatically Radha Prem will manifest in our heart. This is what we say. Jata Jata Gaura Padar Vinde Vinde What? Pitapun Punja Tata Saraswati Hindi Akasma Radha Padambujo Sudambu Rasi. Radha Prem automatically manifest in our heart. So why you chant Krishna Nam? Well, no, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructed all his followers. Mahaprabhu told them, Amaprati Snehaji is Hate Sabaka. Mahaprabhu told, if you really love to me, to follow my
Instructions.
What is my instruction?
Chant my
Prabhu
name.
Vailam, Ei Mahamantra, Ya Gya Japasari Kariya Nirvandha, Ya Ite Sarva Siddhi Vai Vesavad, Ya Vai Namalive Namalaive Ya. Chaitanya Bhagavan. Prabhu Government Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructed all his followers. And if you really love to me, you follow my instructions.
Instructions.
You follow instruction of Guru, so that means you love Guru. That's simple. One day I told, Advaitavadis, they are Guru Puja, or Gauriya Vishnu, they are Guru Puja, not same. You understand? What did I say?
The Advaitavadi is Guru Puja and the Vaishnava Guru Puja are different. They're not the same.
The Mayavadi's Guru Puja is not the same as Gaudiya Vaishnava Guru Puja.
What is the difference?
Mayavadis don't follow the Guru instructions.
Advaitavadi, Mayavadi, they not follow the instruction of Lord. They follow, they accept Vasudev. But they don't accept Vasudev's
Instructions.
for the particular, which philosophy they don't accept.
Ete Shamsa Kalam Pusha, Krishna
Krishna
to
to
Bhagavan
Bhagavan,
Swayam.
that Krishna is a form.
Which philosophy they don't accept Vasudev philosophy, which one they not follow? The doctrine of transformation.
Transformation.
The doctrine of
Transformation.
transformation. I told her no.
Oh, yes.
That is called Parinam. Vyas Parinam Bade Brahma Hoita Vikan. So Vyas Brahma Boli Uthai the Vivad Parinam Bade Vyas. So Vyas is saying Vyas is Bhrantu means?
Forgetfulness.
His philosophy is not correct.
Is illusion. Is an illusion. Does he never use
That's the now illusion.
Oh.
The Vyas Bhrantu Boli Uthai the Vivad. Vyas Sutre Koriya Che Parinam Ba. Vyas Bhrantu Boli Uthai the Vivad. If the impossible is they accept Parinam Ba. What do you understand? Parinam Ba means
Doctrine of Transformation.
eh?
The Doctrine of
The
Transformation.
doctrine of
Transformation.
transformation. And Brahma transformation. If they cannot establish their philosophy, they are saying Brahma is what? Nirakar, Nirvises and Avikari. Avikari, no?
No form. No form.
But here Parinam Badi, that is explained in the Sutra, Vedanta Sutra also explained. Brahma, the Parinam Badi. The doctrine of transformation, two types of it. One is called Vastu Parinam Badi and another is called Shakti Parinam Badi. The one day I told. So they are doing puja, Vyas puja, Guru puja, but they don't believe
In his instructions.
in the instruction of that. And Vyas is written. He has eyes. Lord has eyes or not?
Yeah.
Vyas they wrote. It's very nice, beautiful.
Form.
Varala Pida, Nadabrabu, Karnu Karnikara. And Kusturi Tilakam, Lalata, Padli, Bakastel Kustubam, Nasagre, Varmuktikam, Kartali Venu, Kari, Kamkanam, Sarvangi Hirchandana, Sulitam, Kandicha, Muktavali, Gopastri, Parivastita, Vijayate, Gopal, Chudam. How is beautiful form? Kusturi Tilakam, Lalata, Padli, Bakastale Kustubam, Nasagre, Varmuktikam, Kartali Venu, Kare Kamkanam. Kamkanam is
Gold bangles.
The Karikam, Kusturi Tilanam, Lalata, Patale, Bakastel Kustum, Nasatri Barmutyam, Karatali Venu. And Sarvangi, Parichandana Sulikam, Kandicha Muktavani, and Gopastri Parivestito Krishna, surrounded with
Cows and gopis.
This form as like Gopinath. Krishna surrounded with the Gopi and Radha. Our now is saying, impartially saying, oh Krishna has no form. Many verses there. Navapanjal Lochana. How Krishna is beautiful. Lotus eyes. They are saying he has no form. He is offense. And you have form or no? If I say, oh, you have no form, so you are ghost. No, you have form. So Krishna is very beautiful. Kosturi tilakam lada patalu bakkastare kostubam nasakare varmuktikam kardale venu kare kamkam sarvam vivanchandana jurudam kanthecha muktavali gopastari parivashtitu vijayate gopala chudam. Brahma ji
Pashu
Huh?
Panda.
When Krishna
Islam Brahmasati Ishwar Brahma Krishna Satchidananda. Oh, that's Brahmasati.
Srimad Bhagavatam. Brahma ji. Now, Nomidate Abra Bhopuse Tadida Ammarai. This sloka also. And also the wife of Brahmani, Jagik Patni. They glorify not. How the beautiful form of Krishna. So all is everything. But impartially saying, he has no form. Nirakar, Nirvises, Niranjan. So this is called this. What this regard saying this is? Mayavadi Aparadhi. And if the Mayavadi listen, they become very angry. But Chaitanya Charitamrita is saying, Mayavadi Aparadhi. They use these words. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, Chaitanya Charitamrita, Mayavadi Aparadhi. Because they don't believe. Lord has beautiful form. Krishna very nice, beautiful. So, Sakti Parinambad. One is called Vastu Parinambad and is called Sakti Parinambad. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted both Parinambad. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu give intense and Sakti Parinambad. The transformation of potency. Sakti Parinambad. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu established, that is called Achinta Bhedabhed Tattva Siddhanta. Tattva Siddhanta, highest level. Achinta, Bhed and Abhed. Bhed means different, or Abhed means non-different. Achinta, use this word? Inconceivable. Achinta, this which are there? Beyond of our material conception. Achinta kharuji bhava tangs tarkana no jojit. Achinta kharuji bhava tangs tarkana no jojit. Praklibha paribhasa achinta salakshanam. Praklibha pare, which is beyond of material things. That is called achinta tattva. So maybe your question will come, which is beyond of the material conception, so why will discuss these things? Well, no. You may understand the Achinta Tattva in our disciplic succession, Guru Parampara. Amnaya praha tattang harimang paramam sarvasaktim rasabdim tadabhinna sangscha prakriti kabalitana tatvinkstangscha bhavat bheda bheda prakasam sakalam abhi hare sadhanam suddha bhaktim saddham tatpriti eve upadishati janana gaura chandra sangsa. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, 7th Goswami Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He gives the evidence in Shastra. 10 principles, just to follow the 10 principles in this verse. That is called Dasamul Tattva. First is called Achinta Vastu, that is which is beyond of our material conception. How do you understand? In our disciplic succession, Guru Parampara, Prapta Vedavani. You cannot understand with your material knowledge. This is true. Nayangatma pravachana labho namedoya. No bahuna sutena. Jame visbrunite teno labhatasya atma vibrunite tanu sama. This is true. When Lord mercifully manifests in your heart, then you realize. But when Lord will give mercy to you? When you surrender, Atma Samarpana. Understand? Bhajan sadhan, nothing. Just you surrender. Surrender. शरणागत सड़ंग शरणागति हईवे जहाज ताहार प्रार्थना सुने श्री नंद कुमार. When you surrender, then everything will. This is the process also. Because Bhagavan is beyond of our material conception. And Mahabhav Dasa. There are the two symptoms in there also. What is that?
Two symptoms of surrender.
Mahabhav surrender. Surrender completely, complete surrender in the stage of Mahabhav Dasa. Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajanakriya, Anantri, Nishta, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav and play. Sneha, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav. This surrender always going, step by step. Always going in this. When that is called Saranga Saranagati, who is completely surrendered to Krishna, Srimati Radhika. Right. Understand? Because her Mahabhav is there. She complete surrender. Surrender, how always there are only one things, how Krishna will be pleased. How Krishna will be pleased. Krishna sukh hetu gopika kare sab vyavahar. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Gopis, they perform all their activity, the exclusive pleasure for Krishna. Understand? Krishna sukh hetu. Gopis, what they are doing, everything is for the pleasure for Krishna. And that's it. Only that can you realize there is a Sasambodhi Dasa and Javadasraya Vitti. Little bit hard, you can understand. But if you read again, listen, then understand. Understand or not? You say, I don't understand. It is true, you can understand. But again and again, listen, then understand. And as like baby speaking, mother say, understand or not? How? Because when baby speaking, mother again and again listen or not? Yes. So I am giving this example. Like, why I cannot understand. But this is true. Why? Because you again listen, then habit will come. When baby was speaking, we cannot understand. But mother she can understand. She can understand. Because she again and again listen. The baby language. This is true. Yes. So in the same way, Javad Asraya Vitti and Sasangvidya Dasa. What did he say? Javad Asraya Vritti and Sasangvidya Dasa. All the ingredients of love are mixed together, coming. Javad Asraya Vitti. Sasangvidya. The Sanskrit word. Sa meaning himself. Sangvidya, you realize yourself. Self-realization will come. Atma Anubhuti. So always saying this word. Self-realization, the best realization. Atma Anubhuti will come. Because they are transcendental things. And you cannot express your any word. Just you realize yourself. Understand? This is the process of. And when you chant holy names, what realization coming in your heart? जब हरिनाम करते हो क्या अनुभव होता है? Have you feeling some things? No, you are feeling. And you are hungry, you are eating. You are sleeping. When you sleep, deep sleep, when you wake up, feeling also yourself. And aham sukha nidrayam. And I was in sweet or sound sleep. When you wake up, then your mind, everything you are fresh. And feeling coming. You cannot say, I did not feel anything. Right. And you are not inert. You are conscious being, Chetan. And you are not stone. You are Chetan, Atma, conscious. With the consciousness, there are three things are there: feeling, willing, and knowing. We are feeling now. We are hungry. You are hungry or not? Yes.
Sleepy.
Hungry for high.
Hungry.
Sleepy.
Feeling, willing. You have some desire. Feeling, willing, knowing, anubhuti also. Everything you have. My Harikatha is very
Endless.
endless. Endless ocean. Here is ocean.
The 7 oceans.
You understand or not? I am not looking, you are understand or not?
I want to
Just you open your eyes can speak.
I want to say something about surrender because you mentioned about surrender right now in your katha. So this bhajan which we sang for Radharani today, Dekhite, I was reading the lyrics of that bhajan in the morning. At the last, Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying that I want to become a mad woman in his female form. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, and I want to sing the glories of Radharani day and night like a mad woman. And my mind took me to Bhagavad Gita. Krishna is saying that you should give your mind to me. Krishna is saying, surrender to me, like you said, surrender to Krishna. So why Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, I want to become mad for Radharani?
When that will be a prema dasadi issue.
Right.
Srimad Bhagavad Gita, what is saying? Gita gives some instruction. Instruction, because the Gita has spoken in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. The circumstance it is here.
Right.
Understand? One giving instruction to according the circumstance. For circumstance.
Yeah, so in the same regard, this verse came from Gurudev's book Sri Radha, that same Bhaktivinoda Thakur.
Yeah, Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying in this way, this is the stage of Siddhi Lalsa Kirtan.
Yes.
This song is called Siddhi Lalsa, longing for perfection. Dekhite, dekhite, bhali baba kabe, nijastula parijaya. Dekhite, dekhite means what? When you perform bhajan and sadhana, dekhite when you are just watching and looking. This is not the meaning.
Inside.
No, dekhite, dekhite means performing bhajan and sadhana, shraddha, sadhusanga, bhajana kriya step by step. Dekhite, dekhite, bhali baba kabe. When I forget my bodily conception. You do bhajan and sadhana, then slowly, slowly you will forget your bodily conception. This is true. If you chant holy names, and then slowly, slowly you forget your body. I am not this body. Who am I? I am the servant of Krishna. Krishna Das. Then you say, I am. This is slowly, slowly you do this. This is the process. Do chanting holy names and slowly, slowly all unearths remove. Then you realize it. Not one day. The unearths not at once will go out. They step by step going. Ekadashi Bhartini, Bahudashi Bhartini, Praiki, Purna and Atantiki. So in the same way. So do bhajan and sadhana, chanting holy names and servicing Guru and Vaishnava. Then samandha gyan, knowledge of relationship. Then mamata will come. Always I am saying this way, two things. The knowledge of relationship and mamata, possession. Then automatically servicial mode will come. Gaur Preman. Okay, take this. Por favor. Por favor. Right. Haribol. Haribol, please come. If you come last, then you get 1/4. If you come first, then 90%. Or if you come later, then you will get 10%. Take Prabhuji, 10%. You take 1%. Because you come last. So 1. You? 0. You 0.
I take 4 in.